Hello everyone and Happy New Year. My name is Marlena. Welcome to my channel. This is just, this was a day after my 2-year-old's birthday. He just turned 2 and his birthday is a few days after Christmas, and so I have not only like leftover Christmas mess, but I also have some leftover birthday mess with a bunch of presents, junk, things that don't belong everywhere in my house. As you can see, it's just quite cluttered. So today I'm just gonna work on getting this living room, this dining room, and this kitchen all straightened out and back in order. Start out here in the kitchen. I just have to unload this dishwasher quickly. Have a few items that I'll be hand washing, and then I'll just get all the counters cleared off and sprayed down with some Lysol cleaner. And then once I'm finished here, I'll just move on to the other rooms. Recording this, I thought I had the whole sink like in shot pretty well, and then when I was editing I realized that a good chunk of this was kind of out of the scene. So apologize for my crazy filming skills here. Again, when I was like editing this, I was looking over at like my counter space, and there's just so much stuff. And I'm just like one of those persons who, if it's out of sight, it's out of mind. And so it's like all of these like treats and cookies and Christmas goodies and stuff that are out here. If I put those away, we just won't eat them, and then I'll find them when they're bad. So I'm just like totally one of those persons, like I have to keep things out or else totally out of sight, out of mind for me. So I don't know, it kind of makes my counters look a bit cluttered, but I'm gonna, work on it and downsize some of these containers here as well. I also need to get rid of that gingerbread house. My boys built gingerbread houses, and every time I, think about throwing it out or talk to them about throwing it out, they get so upset. So it's just kind of sitting there. Same thing with the Christmas tree. I swear, you guys, you're going to see my Christmas tree up forever, because every time I talk about taking down the Christmas tree, they get all sad. Okay, so over here in this area, it just is like a little catch-all basically, where anything and everything just comes and gets dumped over here. So I have a lot of items that need to be taken down into my basement and stored away. As you can see, like there are pumpkins I still had out. I have a lot of birthday items from my 2-year-old's party. And, you know, it just got cluttered over here so bad for the last, like, you know, probably I ignored it for a good day or a day and a half, and this is the result. So just get everything nice and off of here, put away, and nice and clean and organized.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on over here into the living room, and I just really need to pick up tons of things, put them, like all the toys, back where they belong. All of the costumes, all the clothes just need to go away. So that's what I'm going to work on here in this living room, and then just gathering up the toys and just putting those away, and then I'll just clean up a little bit. Yeah. Definitely interesting having a kid have a birthday so close to Christmas. My 2-year-old, actually his due date was supposed to be on Christmas, but he was not, he decided not to come for a few days after. So his birthday is actually on the 28th, and you know, it's just interesting for sure, because you want to be able to make it special. I think it's going to be kind of more difficult as he gets older to make, you know, a Christmas birthday special like it should be. But it's something that we'll definitely have to work on. And then it's like double the toys. So, yeah, just kind of interesting. If you guys have any Christmas birthdays or know how to make Christmas birthdays special, let me know down in the comments. We've been thinking about like maybe half birthdays, like celebrating his half birthday. But yeah, just let me know what you do to celebrate Christmas birthdays or to make them special. Alright guys, so this video is now over. The house is clean and presentable again. You know, there's still going to be some toys out because they're still playing with them, of course, but you know, the house looks 10 times better than it did when I started, and that's a win in my book. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye.